Yeah, once again, very good morning to all of you, or good afternoon. And Mr. GP Sandeep has completed his BSc in Agricultural Sciences and MSc in Agriculture Extension from Professor Jayasankar, Telangana State Agriculture University, Hyderabad. He is currently pursuing PhD from University of Agriculture Sciences, GVK, Bangalore. And he worked on effectiveness of agricultural information disseminated through social media as a part of his master's research. And today he will be presenting about a rising digital seedling. Professor Jayasankar, Telangana State Agriculture University, Agricultural Videos, YouTube. And yeah, please Sandeep, go ahead. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Thank you, manage team and all the participants and speakers for giving me this opportunity. This I'm going to present a rising digital seedling. This is a PJTSA Agriculture YouTube channel, which was started in year of 2017. This we explored the what are the videos and its content in the channel after completing my master research. Yeah, to provide a suitable strategy, we also even done content analysis of this channel. So first of all, I would like to start the uh, agriculture. Agriculture is a very great human civilization. It built very great bond between human and nature, as it started peace from hunting. Human converted to very peaceful manner of growing his own crops for his consumption. Though agriculture started for domestication of food and for crops of their community, it also in 21st century it's addressing many aspects like um, poverty elevation, malnutrition, etc., etc. It's addressing very huge globally. It's addressing the various problems arising throughout the world, and mainly coming to regarding the research of agriculture sciences. Research institutes located in various locations globally. In India, particularly ICR, State Agriculture Universities, globally international research institutes are the main research centers for conducting research on agriculture sciences. In recent periods, whatever the research they are conducting on farmers' problems. And nowadays, the farmer information needs are not merely restricted to production aspects. Nowadays, farmers are asking regarding very advanced things, or regarding marketing intelligence. They need information regarding how, what if I grow crop particular this season, how can I go on cropping patterns of next my season? If I grow crop this season, this particular crop, what should I go for in Rabi? They are very future, in very future perspectives. They are going cultivation. The current extension system, whatever with the manpower, we cannot all the extension agents cannot be available with all the farmers throughout the time. In this scenario, ICT is a very great ray of hope. It helped a very much in building the bridge between information haves and information have nots. Extension system, as along with ICT development in the engineering field, IT field, extension system also adapted from radio to smartphone. Parallelly, extension system adopted and started its delivering information through these ICT technologies and social media. And we all know that in 21st century, it is revolutionized the way of communication, what human beings are doing nowadays. And coming to YouTube and PJTSU Agriculture Videos channel, as we all know that YouTube started in the year of 2005 and it's now owned by Google since 2006. And I would like to say a few advantages of this YouTube over other agriculture apps. Uh, Actually, an agriculture app needs a lot of technical support. Whenever the Android versions from Gingerly ice cream to now we are at KitKat and we have Oreo. After that, Pi, we are in Android 10 now. As the Android is growing, the updates for the applications need to be also done, which is lacking by many agriculture apps. That's why many agriculture apps coming and going. But when we come to YouTube since 2005 and we are in 2021, still it's one of the topmost search engine for not only for videos, for many information needs also they are searching in nowadays short videos came and many channels were producing videos and public YouTube channels. And coming to PJTSA agriculture videos, it is maintained by electronic wing of State Agriculture University of Telangana State, Professor Jayasankar, Telangana State University. It was started in the year of 2017 on 30th August. And this is how the process of content development videos production by electronic wing. First, they will identify the problem. The major source of identification of problem of the university network has farm science centers, dart centers, research stations, and other feedback from the farmers. Here, at this stage, they will identify among the all problems, they will identify particular problem and what need to be addressed, and they will schedule the production plan when we need to produce and when we need to publish. The all scheduling the production of video will be formed at this stage, and they will take technical support. What all the scientific analysis required to address that particular problem, they will take support from research stations and scientists. Then at this stage, they will write script. At video production stage, they will content identification, they will do, they will start video shooting, and they will record the voice and they will edit. And last, publishing stage, they will publish the videos after video production. And the viewers, majority of viewers are farmers, students, subscribers, and others, non-subscribers also using this particular YouTube channel to get farm information. And activity at this stage is video modules dissemination, and they will also collect feedback from the farmers through, it can be direct letters, and it can be even in comments form. And coming to the methodology of data collection of this particular case study, I'm saying the data was collected secondary of video modules directly from YouTube, and secondary data of channel analytics were directly collected from the electronic wing through the channel access. And coming to first the profile of the channel, the channel name is Agriculture Videos PJTSA. It was started on 2017 year. Total subscribers 34,000 on November, and now it is almost 40,000 plays. Total videos published till November was 174, and total views to those 174 videos was 19,54,128. And the main features which distinguishes from other YouTube channels producing Telugu videos for this particular area, timely and niche-based agriculture videos are produced by this particular electronic wing, and the locally generated video database. The video, whatever they are publishing, is locally generated by themselves only, directly from farmer fields or research stations. And scientist level explanation, whatever on every video, a scientist level expertise will explain that particular concept or regarding the procedure of need to be followed to address that particular problem. The objective of this channel is to timely provide needs-based information for farmers of Telangana. And coming to the different playlists in the channel, among all 174 videos, crop production and protection almost occupied more than 80%, we can say 70 to 80%. And success stories also, 14 video modules are published on this channel. General videos are related regarding general awareness like eco-friendly colors, etc., are published in the general videos. And convocation videos are especially for students, and university activities, different university activities which are going in university also publishing in this particular YouTube channel. See, due to the constraint of 12 slides, I have minimized the content of this table. We have actually documented all 174 videos, and we have documented when it is published, the duration of the video, likes, and we have given ranks based on the reviews. Coming to these 12 are the top 1, 2, 3 among each different playlist published on the particular channel. See, we can see all these 12. Among all, we cannot see normal just videos which explain general crop production practices. If we see latest rice varieties of suitable for Telangana, it was the only video among the all production video modules published in that playlist, reached more than, it's almost around 1,40,000 reach. And we can see paddy nursery polythene. All the advances things are which is giving good response from the viewers. Actually, we can see integrated weed management. And one more thing here I need to address is Kharif paddy false mud, which was published on 6th 10th 2020 in the pandemic, and just now Unlock 3.0 was initiated in India. You can see the very short video 3.31 which addressed the particular concept of false mud which arose during that particular month, reached more than 1,20,000 videos within a span of 1 month. And we can see panicle mite, instead of broad videos, 20-30 minute videos, the videos which addressed that particular problem reached more views from the audience. And coming to various percentage according age classification, the viewers are majority from 18 years to 44 years. In my master thesis also same kind of result was reflected. I can say because of these kind of results, we cannot see more views from 65, 45 years above due to the digital literacy. Even though they were having smartphones, they are unable to type what type of information they want from YouTube. Even though they are using for general activity like watching news, serials, particular series, etc., they could not able to type and find the video which is they required. And coming to gender percentage, according to the majority of the viewers of this particular channels are male, almost 90%, followed by female. And coming to, we need to see that even the channel have 30,000 of subscribers, even the more viewers non-subscribed. The viewers are not who not subscribed to the channel viewed 86% of the total views of the channel. And it is more important, we should also take it into consideration while publishing the videos. And view percentage according to the playlist. As I said earlier, the crop production, protection, and success stories have reached more. Even though success stories have 5%, the video modules published are less than 15. And crop production and protection, almost 50 and add videos are published under this particular playlist. And coming to view percentage based on device type, on what device type they are accessing. Mobile phones, majority of the users or viewers are using mobile to access these videos. So we also need to focus whenever the textual material giving on the videos, it should be large enough to view by the viewers. The small, whenever the small size letters, if you give, more queries may arise. So that to address it, whenever the video is edited by graphics, the textual format in the video should be large and bold enough to they can easily watch in the mobile phones. And coming to playback location, at what place they are using, majority of them are using on directly YouTube watch page, and they are directly using on a YouTube application only, followed by browser and embed external websites. And coming to average view duration, I have seen you, we look at 18 to 44%. Majority of them are watching, even though video is 10 minutes, they are skipping and they are watching only 2.30 minutes to 3 minutes hardly. To year-wise videos, viewers, we can see high exponential growth in 2020. It may be due to, we can even say due to the lockdown, no access for meeting an agriculture extension officer. This is where the e-extension arises. As John sir earlier said, the e-medicine, whatever which was struggling since 10 years, took a bloom at 1 week time only. In the same way, we can see that how people are shown their interest in accessing e-information during the lockdown period. Not only these agriculture videos, we have even collected the data from Kisan call centers. The average call duration, number of calls received in Kisan call center during lockdown also increased very rapidly. And there are few lessons I would like to conclude from this particular channel. And whenever a video module published, it need to address a precise problem instead of explaining a very broad way. If you want to address particular false smut, you need to address that particular false smut only, instead of explaining all the diseases and coming over to false smut and then explaining. It is observed that video modules 2.30 minutes to 10 minutes are most viewed by the viewers. This may be due to the data constraint. Majority of Indians are using 1 GB data plan per day in India, per day. So we should also take in that into consideration. If a video module is more than 30 minutes, the video module it takes more than 300 MB to view it. So that shorter videos not only reduces that constraint, but also it reduces cost of production also. Here in video production and editing and distributing, disseminating, the duration of time of a particular video and cost is directly proportional. And comment section, this is the most important thing I want to address here. The comment section, whenever we give good replies to the viewers, definitely the video is reaching more people, and it is shared, and the majority of them are replied also, sir, this is a very good video and I will share with my friends also. So we should use this particular comment section. Whatever the queries given by the farmers, we definitely need to reply them, and need to take whatever the queries as feedback of that particular video, and we may not know. And very soon, I am predicting it. It my personal hunch. In very future days, farmers may even take their videos and they will review whatever the latest technologies given by ICR institutes or SRUs regarding a variety or technology. Even farmers may go for live on YouTube. And timeliness, here it is the most important thing. We cannot just dump whatever the information we have produced on YouTube channels. We need to address the particular problem at particular time only. As I said, the false mud, even though many videos are published in 2017, not reached more than 10,000 views, the particular video which is very small and precisely explained and given detailed manner in the description of the particular video, it has reached more than 1 lakh views within 30 days. And it can be observed that a playlist crop production success stories, it reflects that these are the major needs of farmers in getting the information. And it's also more important that sharing these YouTube video modules at different social media platforms. I would like to say, whatever, if, for example, we published a YouTube video and we need to share that particular link on Facebook pages or WhatsApp groups. We have documented very beautifully more than 150 these social media platforms groups in Telangana. We can simply share this particular link so that it can reach many farmers. And I would like to conclude it. Sharing is very good. Sharing through digitally, it is very simple. So thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Sandeep. Very interesting, very timely. This topic is very timely because since 2020, if you see, in the entire web globally, the people are watching only videos, not the text, and mostly it is almost 70 to 80% they are predicting. This trend it goes in the big way. It's very timely and very practical. Applications are very huge because all the developmental actors are trying for videos. They want to take videos and want to circulate because today it is no need of taking from somebody need to come and take. Everybody has the mobile, everybody become videographer, including farmers are taking and they are passing to the WhatsApp groups of extension offices. It's a very quite interesting study. And I don't know whether these findings are shared with important actors, those who are using videos for agriculture extension like KVKs or like department officials, even ICR institutes or many, they are doing it. Maybe quite interesting study. And only striking is many times we see government, public sector departments, we see they will always has the fascination for taking very big videos. Maybe your finding may be very apt. It is a 2 to 3 minutes, even though conclusion you told 2 to 10 minutes, but your finding shows that only 2 to 3 minutes is the most optimum video it can go. And also it is timeliness, always any publication or anything video also we used to tell timeliness. Another one, the age group, maybe also, and also indicated there is a digital literacy needed. It is not that after 60 years they won't watch. They will be watching, but they may not be aware, and some of them may not be having mobile, or there may be some issues. That's fine. We need to concentrate on digital skill or digital literacy among large number of farmers. That's also very quite interesting study. And it is not, it's a mobile friendly videos that makes a lot of difference. When we are always, we need to consider mobile friendly. That also you told 95% of them they are watching the mobile phone. That's also quite interesting study. And this is your part of MSc study, or it is separately you did for credit seminar or some other thing?
No, sir. We actually documented and we have seen effectiveness of information, sir, in social media.
Okay.
And then regarding giving the strategy for our YouTube channel, we have again done content analysis after my MSc thesis.
Okay, this is mostly on Telugu videos, is it not?
Yes, sir. Only Telugu videos and answer.
Yeah, Mr. There is a Dr. Sriram, I suppose. Sriram, there is interesting question. Whether you given the English subtitle something?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, yeah, that's what his question is. It is a his comment is it is a nice study. Whether you are having insights regarding video engagement level using English subtitles? That is not done, but that may be useful.
Sir, actually, initially what happened, whatever the video modules produced was published in English only, sir, subtitles. For example, false mut like that. But later on, what happened, the comment section was full with give us local name, vernacular language. After that, what the YouTube channel of our university did, they started publishing with the title of Telugu name only.
Okay.
for example, rice varieties, Vari Vangadalu, like that, they started giving in local name only, sir.
Yeah, that's correct. It's okay. And any others interested, they can take other parts of the country, maybe KBKs, others, they can put the subtitles. But university very much concerned about their own states. They might be put in the whole subtitle also in Telugu so that people can understand better. They can read like that. Very quite interesting study. But we wish you should publish the paper or publish the policy brief. You should circulate to developmental practitioners, including large number of NGOs, others. Then it may be more useful. Congratulations, Sandeep. It's very good, very timely, and very, even though study is looks very simple, but this is more needed because today everybody watches videos in the WhatsApp and everywhere, is it not? Congratulations,
Yes,
Mr. Sandeep. Any questions for Sandeep? And I don't see it is a very clear presentation. It is almost done very clearly. I don't think so. Any questions? If we more questions, we'll put you in loop and we will get back to you for this question. And only my request is you can make something like a policy brief, something like, and you can circulate among the developmental practitioners, and also you might be shared with your findings with your university. Already they are aware, is it not?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
They even started a Facebook page, sir, and they
Okay.
started sharing whatever the videos published on YouTube. They're sharing in
Okay.
Facebook also, sir.
Okay, another interesting question from Vijay Kumar, whether you analyzed the impact of adoption from your university side or anybody started analyzing. For example, digital green, we are hearing morning, they will tell compared to traditional, seeing the digital green videos, 10 times more adoption was there. And seeing this, your university videos, any adoption studies are taken by any students or university? Yeah.
Now an MSc student is doing on this particular channel, sir.
Okay.
At my time, what happened? We, instead of seeing adoption, we have seen effectiveness, sir, perceived effectiveness.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
Now she's doing the adoption level, sir.
Adoption level. They are going to the farmers and maybe
Yes,
based
sir.
on the subscription or based on the how you are going. Okay. Anyway, the student might
Snowball
be.
technique, they are going, sir. Actually, subscribers.
Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we'll get and we can get. You can update us also again and
Yes, sir.
how it is going like that. Thank you very much, Mr. Sandeep, and for a very good presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for providing this opportunity.